Welcome in once again to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the cryptocurrency markets, guys. Welcome in. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really does help out with the channel. Here we have the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys, at 54, basically neutral, basically at a standstill. The market doesn't know if we're going to dump or we're going to pump. But today we have a better indicator. This will probably head back up towards the greed section in the following days. We'll keep you guys informed. Why? Well, mainly because of the XRP case, man. We're going to definitely get into that, later on. So stay tuned for that part of the episode. But before we get to that, let's discuss price action. We see that the top 5 altcoins in the world are pumping into oblivion. We have Ethereum, at around 2 G's a pop, 2 racks, up 5% in the last 7 days. And we have XRP, the scam. But the scam is the star of the show today. I'm always playing around and things of that nature. And we got to give it its props. You know what I mean? So we'll get into that later on in the episode. 80 cents, up 70% in the past week. And in the past 24 hours, insanity. Number 3, BNB at $250 a pop, up 6.27%. Number 4, Cardano at 34 cents, having that 20% upswing in the past week. And mainly these moves have happened in the last 24 hours. And then Solana at 25 billies a pop, up 25% as well. Then we have the least or the worst performing assets in the last 7 days here. eCash, that thing is freemium, way under a penny, down 14%. Then number 2, another scam. Bitcoin SV at around that 40 billy range, down 9%. Number 3, Maker DAO at $929, down 6%. And then you have what? Number 4, Bitcoin Cash, another scam, $276, down 3% for the week. And number 5, we have Flow, down a percentage point at around 62 cents in the last 7 days. Then we have the best performers in the past week. We start with Stellar at 15 cents, up 60%. The OG is making those moves once again. In the last 7 days. Then we talked about Solana. We have Polygon Matic up 25% at that 84-85 cent range. Number 4, Compound. That sounds like a dog compound, man. At 70 billies, up 20%. And then Cardano, we obviously discussed that one as well. A lot of moves for the altcoin markets, today, mainly, due to XRP right here, which is the star of the show and the top altcoin at around 81 cents, up 75. Man, let's move on, guys. Don't forget, really does help out to subscribe to the channel, click that bell, and like this video. It helps out with the algorithm as well. And don't forget, if you subscribe, we have great content here for you guys, educational presentation videos for a lot of different cryptocurrency themes via our free educational playlist, link in the description down below, all for free. Then let's move on to the talk of the town. XRP surges as we saw 75% after Judge delivers a huge win to Ripple in its case against the SEC. So that's crazy. This fundamental event is, wow, look at that chart. It used to be 47 cents. That is insane. Almost reached $1 too. So almost got, to that 100% increase in less than 24 hours. Look at this chart, just going parabolic. Literally, guys, and we're gonna check the charts too in just a moment, more, in a trading view. But yeah, man, these case results, a lot of people were waiting for this point, and you see the massive spike in value. Personally, I'm trading this as well. I got in right here this morning, or this, when I woke up, and now I'm already up, and who knows, man. This thing, it has the potential to reach $1 and beyond, because it's a big fundamental event shift going on for XRP, and you can see it reflected not just in its chart, as we're going to discuss here, but even in other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, the total market cap and things of that nature. So let's dig in. XRP, this is the weekly chart. Wow, what a candle, guys. What a candle. We had a lot of consolidation here down here, and now we see the massive pump, enormous pump in XRP's price, going essentially parabolic with the single weekly chart. Is crazy. 55 cents was major resistance, and we cleared that out. So this is extremely bullish for XRP. You see the stochastic RSI pushing above 70 as well, confirming the uptrend. This is going to be a strong weekly candle. Let's see where it's going to close. But wow, XRP is making major moves, man. Major moves in the cryptocurrency markets. So, definitely stay tuned for that. Then for Ethereum, same deal. Used to be 1,872, reached $2,000 today, and it's holding strong, guys. Wow. Making a new pivot high compared to these highs, but we're back to this pivot high back here. If it does get above this level, man, it'll most likely break the previous local high here and continue this uptrend. Wow, just a lot of strength for Ethereum at around, that's key resistance at this $2,000 level, where we find ourselves here once again. And Ethereum is showing a lot of strength, guys, lately, a lot of bullishness. So let's see how that plays out. Then we have the total too. As we can see here, massive influx into the altcoin market once again, but we're here at pivotal resistance once again at that $616 billion level, as we can see there. And we've been saying just key resistance, guys. So make sure you keep an eye out for this total 2 market cap, just the money inside the altcoin world. 600 billion right now. It's coming back in thanks to XRP, and if it breaks this resistance, then we expect to break the previous high and head towards that $700 billion mark, in the next couple of days to weeks. So let's see how that pans out. And then the DXY has helped a lot, man, for these altcoins and, Bitcoin and cryptos and XRP to pump. Why? Because we broke the previous pivot lows. We just made a new pivot low, a new local low here. Look at this chart. It's not looking good. It is not looking good for the DXY at all. It failed to make new local highs here and new pivot highs, and now you can see just this a triangular pattern here. This wedge pattern broke towards the downside, and yeah, man, the DXY, the dollar index, not looking good. The next support is around this 99.5 100 area, and if that breaks, bro, good night Irene. No, is that the phrase? I don't even know, but man, good night DXY, man. That is not looking good. And yeah, we expect risk assets to continue pumping in the short term due to the DXY falling drastically, like we can see on this chart. Guys, link in the description down below to our website. Great investment tools and resources for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.